Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Skype and how to install it on your PC. And just to know, it's very easy and simple. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. So first, search in Google Skype like this and click on the first link, and here it appears the official site of Microsoft. So click here on downloads and then you can actually download it for through Apple or for your Android, but we have a Windows, right? So that's why we click on get Skype for Windows here, and as you can see now it's downloading, but I've already downloaded it because I don't want to waste your time. So here it is. When this file is done, it will appear on your downloads folder. Just click on it, double click on it, then click run. Click install. Wait a few seconds till it's done. And now, as you can see, it's ready. Just click on let's go, click on sign in or create, and just sign in with your Microsoft account, and that's it. And that was how to download and how to install Skype on your PC. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And that was it. See you next video. Bye.